Egg curry. Super easy, super tasty. Let's check out the recipe. Brush the eggs with turmeric powder. Oil. Fry the eggs till golden brown. Take the garam masala in the sampan. Fry them and add onions. Fry the onions. Ginger paste. Garlic paste. Fry. Water. Turmeric. Chili powder. Mix. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Salt. Again, mix. Add the eggs. Water. Your egg curry is ready.